Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't uploaded in a few days, been taking a break after Vlogmas, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the daily uploading. A lot of things have happened in the last few days, so I was at my parents' house, and then I finally went and picked up the bumper from paint, and I have it back here at my house now. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and show you guys the final product of the bumper. Ooh. Okay, here you guys go. Ooh. That's sick. Oh, it's all in the shade. So as you guys can see, it was paint matched with the car. Looks super nice. And this is definitely a paint job I couldn't have done myself, so shout out to my painter guy. I don't know if he wants to be in the video. I'll make sure and DM him. If he wants a shout out, I'll go ahead and put it on the screen right now. He did a really awesome job. I'm super happy with this. The only thing I don't like about it is he accidentally painted this inside part gray instead of being black, but that's really not a big deal. I can just put some vinyl on it. It's fine. Came out great though. Other than that, this is a matte black finish on the GT350 fangs and the splitter down here. And then of course he masked it off and he has the gray on like the normal part of the bumper, I guess. I'm happy with it. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Perfect. So, before we get to installing this, I need to pick up a little bit of hardware for the top mounts for the bumper because I don't have long enough screws to go all the way through. Shut up. Yeah, I know. I took it off.
Sad.
Trust me, we got something better coming.
Well, I know we do.
Before Jason heads out, he's gonna take me to the store real quick and I'm going to get some new hardware. That's just like longer version of the bolts that I have. And then I will be doing this whole install by myself. So it's just gonna be an OG Kaidan and the boys and girls upload, working on the Mustang again. No more freaking import cars. Stupid garbage like that. I'm just kidding, I need an import car. Got the goods. Just got out of the store. I picked up a whole mess of hardware that I think is gonna work. I don't see why it wouldn't. Jason isn't gonna be staying for the install because he'd rather go put a catback exhaust on a V6 Challenger, so
I had prior commitments.
Yeah, he had prior commitments. The disrespect. But also thanks to Jason for driving me around. Hopefully this will be the last time because my car won't be out of commission anymore.
Just your chauffeur.
Yeah. There he goes. Leave me here all by myself. Okay, so to start putting the car back together, I'm gonna start with the fender and then we'll move on to the side skirt and the bumper. Okay, so this is the rough mock-up of the bumper. Now, it looks pretty good on camera, I would assume, but obviously if you look close, these don't have holes drilled in them yet, and the final lineup is just not there. Although, there is one bolt holding this in place right now because I drilled that hole, but I still need to drill the hole on the top of this side, and then of course fix the alignment, but it's pretty good as is. Obviously it needs to be bolted on still, but this is kind of the end goal for today. Now to reach that goal, I am gonna have to disconnect the halo lights because when I hooked these up, I just kind of like soldered them on and I didn't add any connectors. So I can't unplug that wire, and to get to the holes, I need to take the headlights out, and to take the headlights out, I need to disconnect the halos. So I don't know if I'll reconnect the halos today because I'm gonna be doing something interesting with them soon. But moving on, my next step is gonna be to just take all this back off and start figuring out where I need to drill holes in the bumper. This is a little bit hard to explain because it's such a tight area. Inside of the fender, there's these little holes. Try to show them to you right there. See these holes right here? And those are basically the holes that the hardware for the bumper needs to go down through. So the bumper comes up and mounts flush to the fender. So to figure out where I need to drill holes, I need to line the bumper up and then reach in there with like a pen or something and mark on there where the holes need to go. It's gonna be a little bit nerve-wracking because obviously I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just gonna go really slow, make sure that the bumper fitment is super good, and then I guess I'm just gonna send it. I mean, I don't see what else there is to do. Okay, so I just spent a little bit of time off camera drilling the holes on the bumper just to make sure that those brackets were gonna fit perfectly, because it was a little bit hard to like record and also try to line things up perfectly, but I think it's pretty much ready. I've got the holes drilled on this side. The other side, the bracket is already on the car, but this bracket basically goes inside the fender, and then the little things stick down through the bumper, and then this will just like keep it mounted onto the fender. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some final touch-ups on here, make sure that I can get the bolts on the underside of this, and then I'll do like the first true mounting of the bumper, I guess. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. I'll put the headlights back in, but yeah, we're pretty much there. I've got it bolted on. The fitment on this side is a little bit rough. I need to drill out these holes on the bumper just a little bit more, so that way it kind of like comes out a little bit, because it's bending inward to make that fit. But I'm gonna have this bumper off and on for the next couple days, because I still need to get the turn signals on there, and I'm gonna need to install the grills. But I think I'm actually gonna stop wrenching for this video, because the main goal of today's video was just to get that bumper on the car, and it is on and it's mounted and everything, and I want to take it for a test drive. I don't have turn signals on the car, and I don't have those halo lights anymore or a grill, but the car really needs a bath, and the car wash is only like a mile down the street, so I think I'm gonna go for a test drive and go and wash the car, and then that'll probably wrap this video up. I have no idea how long this video's been. Maybe it's like been a good chunk, maybe it's just super short. I'm not exactly sure yet. Jason will be back later, and I'm gonna have to give him a bunch of shit, because this was such a pain to put on here by myself. And last night he brought me back down to Corvallis because he was like, oh yeah, I'll help you put the bumper on, and then this morning he's like, oh, I'm leaving, I'm gonna jump ship. So that was a little bit unfortunate, but I managed, and I'm honestly kind of glad I did it without him, because I don't even need his help. I think I'm getting better at opening that. So I got back from the car wash, and I am literally just the dumbest person. Okay, so I went and washed the car, and I forgot to install the side skirt on the driver's side of the car, so that was really stupid. This is still disgusting. I'm probably just gonna like wipe it down or something. It's like covered in mud. Definitely missed my opportunity. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the car for now, so I guess it'll just get cleaned the next time I wash the car. Alright guys, so a bit of a abrupt change of the plan. I was installing the side skirt, and then I realized that these little doodads are one-time use. So I went ahead and I ordered some new side skirt clips. Those will be here in a couple days, and then I'll put the side skirt back on, so that's a little bit unfortunate. Jason finally came back after I didn't even need his help anymore, so it's whatever, you know.
I was busy.
Yeah, busy. Hey, I could put a clip of what he was doing on the screen actually. Send me that video.
Alright.
I'll show you. Right now, I'm going to show you what Jason was doing all day.
No.
Wait. Oh, wait, we can't drive my car. It doesn't have turn signals. I was going to say we could take my car, but it doesn't have blinkers.
Hand signals up the middle.
I mean, yeah.
Left, that's right.
Well, see, the only people that it's important to are behind me, and the rears still work.
And the only people that
oh, wait,
know
no.
is the bikes.
When they're not plugged in, it doesn't have running lights. So, no.
Oh,
we can't,
no,
yeah.
No, your car's still just kind of bricked.
Yeah, a little bit. So tomorrow for me, I don't know when it'll be for you guys, but I am gonna start working on getting the turn signals on the car, because when the running lights are disconnected on the front, the running lights don't light up on the back for whatever reason. I learned that the hard way. I was like, why aren't my running lights working? That'll be coming soon, but tonight we're just gonna go and get food in Jason's car. Again, he's still driving me around, so yeah. Dude, your car is so comfy. It can keep my butt warm. It can hold American-sized waters. Oh, I need a daily car. Mine is so uncomfortable compared to this. We've been riding around in Jason's all-track like all week for the last month.
All week for the last month?
Yeah. And, like, it's just so comfortable. I mean, it's just a newer car. Most newer cars are fairly similar to this, I'd say. I kind of think I need like a...
Volkswagen?
No.
Yes.
Maybe.
Golf R.
I want a Golf R, but that's like 40 grand.
You can get used ones for 20.
I'd like to get like a wrecked one for like 7.
Rebuild it.
Yeah. Because that would be an awesome... I don't know. Would you guys enjoy that? I'd love to do like buy a wrecked car and then rebuild it. Obviously, I need a little bit more money for the upfront investment of parts and stuff. But it would make such awesome content for YouTube. Like, I kind of don't like YouTubers that just... I mean, me personally, I like to modify stuff and build things. That's kind of the joy of working on cars for me. But I know a lot of people like the Stradman and like Street Speed 717 or those big channels, they don't really work on cars that much. They kind of just like exist. I don't even know. What do they do? I mean, Stradman has like...
It's also just about their personality.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. It's about the cars and them also.
Right.
Maybe you just need more of a personality.
True. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe my personality's there. I like to stay humble. I don't think I'm like the most amazing person on camera, but I do like to showcase really cool car stuff. So I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Would you guys want to see more like personality of me acting like an idiot on camera? Because I could do that. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with just embarrassing myself. But also, like, it has to stay focused on cars. I'm not just going to not work on cars, because that's kind of the whole reason I started this channel. So, what? You got something to say?
No, I was just looking to see if I was in the frame.
Oh, no. Just half of your face. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so I just finished editing this video. It feels kind of good to be away from the Vlogmas platform again, because I don't have to have all that like Christmas music and stuff in the videos, and I can kind of just go back to my normal editing style. Although it's a little bit weird because normally there's like more footage, but it's just because the Vlogmas intro and outro are gone. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know that the wrenching portion was kind of short and there was a lot of just like hanging out, so if you made it this far, thank you so much. And if you haven't already, make sure you leave a like down below. Tomorrow, I'm going to keep working on the Mustang. Hopefully those clips come in soon. It said 1 to 2 business days, so like hopefully it's 1 business day and not 2. But the clip should be here soon for the side skirt, and then I'm going to be wiring up the turn signals, so there's lots of stuff to do. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for more of the car content, because the bumper is far from done. It's not like I'm just going to run it with no grills. I think it looks kind of meh right now. Obviously it has potential, but there's a long way to go on it. But anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this up here and go and get some sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and dream big.